Hello guys, welcome back to our show, Toy Friendly Unbox, where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And for this brand new episode, ang matutuwa naman sa atin is, I'm sure yung mga Transformers fans, especially Optimus Prime fans out there, ang unbox natin ay eto ng bagong Karakuri statue transforming Optimus Prime by Takara Tomy. Ito yun, bagong dating natin. And you heard it right, transforming Optimus Prime to, auto-transforming Optimus Prime. Hindi siya kagaya ng Robosen. Medyo, alam ko, atakihin ng puso dito sa price na. Pero ito na yung siguro next best thing. Kung budget-friendly, hinahanap nyo na auto-transforming Optimus Prime, pwede na siguro to para sa inyo. And it's a statue. Magandang display sa desk. And yun, it's a must-have for all you Transformers fans out there, especially Optimus Prime fans. And ito yung unbox natin ngayon. Okay, so before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also, nasa Facebook kami, yung store namin, kung gusto yung bumili nito, facebook.com/toyfriendly. And also posted na rin to sa Shopee store natin, shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And alam po, inaantay nyo na to. And ito yung unbox natin ngayon. And here we go!
Barely making a sound, then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free.
So welcome back guys. Eto nga, before we unbox this properly, tignan muna natin, examinin muna natin yung box art niya. Medyo maganda-ganda rin. Tignan niya, yung harap. Kita nyo na yung actual toy, yung actual figure. May base siya na highly detailed, and maganda yung pagkaka-layout yun. Glossy box. Yung taas, Karakuri Optimus Prime, nakalagay yung logo niya, logolized. And ito yung side, another image of Optimus Prime. Yung truck mode na siya dyan. Dito sa kabilang side, yung of course side view yung robot na si Optimus Prime. And sa likod, yung transforming action niya, pinakita step by step yan. Galing. So nakalagay dito sa likod is yun, may, pero Japanese siya parang nula ko lang, may 54 phrases and 18 English phrases and 54 Japanese phrases parang. So may voice effect pa to, and LED effect. Yun. So authentic to guys from Takara Tomy. So gagawin natin, bubuksan natin to, and checkin natin kung ano yung loob, and kung may battery siya, lalagyan na natin para mabilis tayo mag-review ng figure. Okay? So, here we go. So guys, ito yan, nabuksan na natin. Ito yung loob niya. Ito yung nasa loob. Si Optimus Prime nakatayo sa base. And may kasama siyang gun. Also, may kasama siyang instructional booklet. Na mamaya, pakita natin up close para makita nyo yung contents. Pero dito, ito pa lang, tingnan natin. Ganda, highly detailed din. And sa instructions na sabi ay 3 AA batteries yung kailangan. So, hindi siya kasama dun sa package. So, bili kayo ng batteries. Yung malakas-lakas na ibili nyo dahil in-expect ko medyo kakonsume to ng malaki-laki energy yung mga transforming abilities. So, ito, gagawin natin is mas maganda, ma-appreciate natin ito kung up close yung kuha natin. So, kunin ko yung camera natin and i-review natin at a much closer level, diba? So, yun. Balik tayo mamaya-maya. So guys, eto na. Up close. Si Prime. Makikita natin. And yun yung base niya, diba? Highly detailed base. Napakaganda. And dito yung battery compartment. Talagay nyo dyan 3 AA batteries. And yan. Diyan si Prime. Ganda. Highly detailed. May plate number po. Diba? Yung back. Hanggang likod yan. May mga die-cast parts din yan. Mixed na siya. Mixed die-cast and PVC. Sobrang ganda. Pati paint job niya. Glossy. Yung mix ng gloss and matte paint styles. Pero dito muna tayo. Mamaya natin examine si Prime mismo. So, ito yung instructional booklet. Although, unfortunately, Japanese yung letters, yung writings. So, well, hulaan na lang natin. Medyo madali-dali lang naman din i-figure out. Yan, battery instructions, and ito yung sa transforming instructions niya. From robot mode to magta-transform siya to vehicle mode, yung truck mode niya. And then i-off mo daw. From the B side, yun, pupunta siya sa truck mode. And sa likod, so ganyan yung mga from the B position sa button. Gusto mo bumalik, ang sinasabi dito, na-figure out ko ito i-hold mo yung button to activate the transformation. Naka-hold. And pag nagsabi siya ng transform, yun, mag-activate yun. Dito sa part na to. Tsaka may mga LED light effects. Ayan o. Autobots transform. Also sa A, English. Kasi nga may voice effects din to, no? So may sa A position, English dialogue. Sa B, Japanese dialogue. Ito yung mga sinasabi. So yung Japanese, marami. 54 statements or shoutouts. Pag sa American, 18. Yan. So, yun. Ready na ba kayo? Na-test natin to. Okay. Test natin to, guys, ha. Unahin siguro natin yung dialogue muna. Mga ilan phrases na maririnig natin. So, dito sa button, dito nyo yung button. So, B and A yan. B and A. So, nasa off position siya. Lagyan natin sa A. Kita nyo yan. Meron na kagad na nangyari. So, ito yung button niya. So, nasa A position. So, maririnig natin yung mga English phrases. Okay? Diba? And gumagalaw yung ulo. Yun ang malupit. Diba? Yeah, sabi. Tsaka ang ganda, diba? Umiilaw yung LED sa yung matrix of leadership na, umiilaw. Yun. Diba?
One shall stand, one shall fall.
Tsaka authentic yung voice niya, Peter Cullen. Peter Cullen ba? Ako correct na lang ako sa comment section kung tama yung pagkakasabi ko ng voice actor, the original Optimus Prime voice actor. If I'm not mistaken, Peter Cullen ba?
I am Optimus Prime.
Malupit.
I'll take you all on. Autobots, it's time to take not an option.
Diba? Ang dami.
I urge you to do the right thing. I've returned, more powerful than ever. Let's stop the Decepticons. Greetings. Decepticon detected.
Yun. Meron pa gano'n. May pa-soundtrack pa.
Yeah.
So, doon sa B-side naman, B-side, tignan lang natin, ha. Yan, Japanese. Astig din, diba? So, you get the idea na kung paano yung medyo yung initial functions niya, diba? Sa audio effects. Ngayon, tatry naman natin yung transformability nitong toy na to. So, ang gagawin natin, lalagay natin sa English mode. Mas maganda syempre, English-speaking country tayo. So, ang gagawin natin, i-hold lang natin itong button. Okay, and then, magsasalita siya ng transform. Okay? Wide angle muna tayo. And then, push natin yan. Okay? Ready?
Autobots, transform!
So, syempre hindi siya katulad dun sa Robosen na mabilis yung transformation niya. Pero, sinasabi ko lang, pwede na. Diba? Oh. Diba? So, sa akin lang pwede na kung gusto niyo ng mas affordable na auto-transforming Optimus Prime. Eto na, dito na tayo. And at the same time, display din siya, oh. Diba? Conversation starter na naman sa desk mo. Ang daming ma-engganyo na makipag-usap sa'yo. So, ganyan yun. And kung gusto mong bumalik siya sa robot mode, ganun na din. I-hold mo lang yung button. Like so. And, pakita natin.
Autobots, transform!
Nice. Very cool. Diba? Ang ganda. So, there you have it. That's our quick unboxing and review of this very cool Karakuri statue auto-transforming Optimus Prime by Takara Tomy. And limited supplies lang tayo nito, guys. Kung gusto nyo kumuha nito, feel free to message us sa Facebook and sa Shopee. www.facebook.com/toyfriendly and sa shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And cue for montage naman tayo. See you guys later.
Your smile's my compass, my guiding star. No matter how far we'll go, where we are. Every step, every breath, it's a dance. In your eyes I found my chance. I'll break you free, no longer restrained. In your line I found my name. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. All my secrets laid bare are no longer locked. With you I'm flying high, breaking the clocks. You got me so unwrapped. touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free, no longer restrained. In your light I feel.
There you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of the Karakuri Optimus Prime transforming statue from Takara Tomy. And yun, galing nito. Must have for all you Transformers fans out there. And for all you guys who are in the budget for a transforming robot like this one, eto na yan. This one's for you. Please do visit our store, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly, and also our shopee.ph /toyfriendly store for your piece of this one. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon, nandun may mga vouchers yun, maraming discount. So I suggest you go to our Shopee store, and also if you want sa Facebook store din natin, pwede naman natin pag-usapan lang. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements in future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And yeah, also please stay tuned for more unboxing episodes to come, and I'll see you there. Bye.